In this video, I'm going to talk about why chasing happiness will keep you broke, okay? Now, I've been guilty of this myself in the past. Back maybe 5, 6, even 7 years ago, I used to play video games a lot. I used to watch Netflix. I used to, waste time. I used to even buy cars because it used to make me happy. And I would basically waste money on stupid things just because it made me happy, right? Or I'd waste time doing stupid things just because it makes me happy. And now that I now live in Dubai, I left the UK, I quit my 9 to 5 job, moved here, been successful, made over 6 figures a year on my online coaching business. What I've realized is that chasing happiness is what keeps you broke. Because guys, I don't want to be happy, right? Chasing happiness is basically trying to chase these little dopamine hits. It's basically like chasing, stupid things that just get you high over little rewards, right? And what I've realized is I don't want that. I don't want to be excited or happy over these small little rewards. For example, I used to play FIFA a lot, right? And in Ultimate Team, I mean, if you play FIFA, you'll know when you pack a good player, it's crazy. You become happy. You chase these little wins in life. And then when you get a good player, you're like, oh, this is so sick. I'm so happy. Or you feel this good satisfaction in you. But if you really and truly deep it, your life hasn't changed. If anything, it's gone downhill, right? Video games are a distraction. Watching Netflix is a distraction. Watching movies is a distraction. Going out is a distraction. Going to festivals is a distraction. Going to concerts is a distraction. All of these things are distractions. They're all put in place to make sure that you don't actually try and escape the system, right? A lot of you guys are working your 9 to 5 job. You're unhappy in your 9 to 5 job. You're not making enough money, right? And to be honest, I was that guy. Literally, over 2 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I was working day and night, used to work 12-hour shifts, get paid like $2,000 a month. And I remember coming home feeling exhausted and I didn't have much money and, bills and all that kind of stuff. And I remember I had a really expensive car and basically like half my wages would go on that. And I used to think to myself, like, I can't live my life like this. And moreover, it wasn't even the money. Like, of course, I wanted more money. I wasn't making a lot anyway. But more than the money, it was freedom, right? I remember when I used to go to work and I'll see other people living life in Dubai, making money online. And, I wanted that life. I wanted to move to Dubai. I wanted to make money online. I wanted to do anything that was possible to have that kind of life. And instead, what I was doing is chasing happiness, right? What makes me comfortable? What makes me happy now? That's what I was chasing. I wasn't chasing something that is going to make me happy later on or make me comfortable later on or, will give me satisfaction later on. Have you noticed a lot of people go on TikTok because they get that dopamine hit now? A lot of people, play video games because they get that dopamine hit now. What you guys need to master is delayed gratification. This single-handedly changed my life because when you realize that any work you put in to an online business or to any business or something that can actually make you a lot of money and you work hard and like day and night at it, it comes back at some point in the future. Whether it's the next day, whether it's a month, whether it's 3 months, whether it's even a year or even a few years, the hard work you put in eventually comes back to you. So once I understood this law, right, delayed gratification, once I understood this, it changed my life completely. Because at that point, I stopped chasing happiness. And what I did chase was struggle. What I did chase was doing the boring things. What I did chase was hard work. And when you chase hard work, boring, hours and hours of discomfort, trust me, all of that gets rewarded back to you every single time. It's never happened to me where I've worked so hard at something and it's not come back to me in the future, right? Being uncomfortable, having discomfort, being in a position where you're working hard, it's boring, it's hard to focus. When you keep doing it and you keep working hard on your business, at some point, it just comes back to you. All the hard work you put in eventually comes back to you. And ever since I've learned that, I have stopped chasing happiness. Now, just a quick one. If you guys are working a 9 to 5 job, right, which again, a lot of you guys probably are because you hate your life, you don't want to work a 9 to 5 job, you want freedom, Click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. What I do is I help people start an online coaching business where they can scale to 10K a month within 3 months of my program. Now, if that does sound like you and you are interested in learning about how to make money online, click the link in the description, watch my VSL, watch some of my testimonials, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call with you to see exactly how I can actually help you, right? Now, this is why I urge all of you guys, start an online business, forget fun, right? Especially if you're younger. Because when you're younger, all you can think about is having fun, all you can think about is going out, X, Y, and Z. And if you do the boring shit now, your life will be so much better later on. Trust me. If you do the boring stuff now, your life is going to be much better later on. And it's something I wish I knew when I was 20, because if I did that at 20, if I did all the boring stuff, I would be so much further ahead in life. It's just unfortunate I started my online business journey about 3-4 years ago, right? And had I started sooner, I'd be so much further ahead in life right now. But that's another topic for another day. My question is to you guys, how badly do you want to change your life? How badly do you want to make money so you can actually help people around you? The best feeling in the world is being able to help people around you. And to be honest, you can't really do that without money, right? Because if you want to do something for someone else, you need money to a certain extent. And that's why you should be working day and night. That's why you should be doing all the boring things. That's why you should put all the fun to a side and just do all the boring stuff now, because you will be rewarded for it later. The reason why a lot of people aren't successful and the reason why a lot of people aren't rich is because they don't want to do the boring stuff. They just want fun, fun, fun. And trust me, every time you have fun, you're basically going backwards. Trust me, every time you're having fun, you are going backwards. I don't like to have fun anymore. People call me boring. I don't care, because ultimately I want to make money, so much money that my future generations are taken care of. People call me boring without realizing that I don't care for fun in this life. I want to live this life so I can help other people. That's always been my goal. My goal, and this should be yours, especially as a man, your goal should be to try and help as many people around you. I don't care if I get something nice. Of course, here and there I'll buy myself something nice. But ultimately, I just want to give back to the people that gave everything to me. My family, my parents, my wife. These are the only people that I genuinely care about and I genuinely want to help. Moreover, right, I want to start my own charity. I want to start giving to the needy, the people that are poor, and creating something that I can actually help people by flying around the world and doing that, right? And ultimately, you can't do that without money. That's why I've always made the point that if you're not making money, or if you're not trying to make money, and you're not trying to be rich, and you're not trying to be successful, you're selfish. Because you know how many people benefit from you being rich? Not just you, not just your family, not just your immediate family. You can help so many people. That's why my goal has always been to get as rich as possible. I don't care about being happy, genuinely. In fact, I get happiness from helping people. I don't chase these little dopamine hits. I don't have TikTok on my phone. I don't care about what this person's doing or that person's doing. Some people are so concerned about other people, like they're not even the main character in their own lives. You know how crazy that is? I've always been the main character in my life. I've always focused on myself. I've always focused on making money. Because the moment I did that, everything changed. And I was able to help more people around me. That's all I care about. All I care about is helping people around me. And to be honest, that should be your goal as well. So, again, if you are working a 9-to-5 job, you feel like the things that I've just mentioned in this video, and you want to make a change, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, let's jump on a call, and I can potentially help you change your life and scale you to 10K a month by doing the best business model there is, which is starting your own online coaching business. And if you're that person that you're just constantly chasing fun, you're constantly chasing these dopamine hits, just detox from all of this shit. Trust me, I'm telling you guys from experience, the moment fun stops, the money just starts coming in. And the moment you start working on all this boring stuff, the time where you say no to parties, or you say no to playing video games, or you say no to wasting time hanging out with your friends, is the time where everything changes. Because what you're doing is replacing fun with actual hard work and, creating a business that's actually going to be sustainable for you long term. If you focus on that, you're going to make so much money. Guys, I can't stress how important it is that you don't have fun. You know when people say, oh, you should chase your passion. You should chase your passion. I don't believe in chasing your passion. I believe in whatever makes you the most money, you focus on that. You think the guy that owns a cement factory cares about cement? You think he wakes up thinking about, oh, cement, this and that? No, he cares about what that cement is going to make him. He cares about how much money he's going to make. Your passion shouldn't be, oh, this is what I want to do and I'm going to focus on this. No, your passion should be trying to make the most amount of money possible, even if it's not your passion. You know, you don't need to care about what you're selling. You don't need to care about the business model to an extent. All you need to care about is how you can fix problems, how you can make money, and how you can actually generate more and more income. That's what's important. So forget this garbage advice. Follow your dreams, follow your passion. Follow what's going to make you the most amount of money, follow what's going to give you the most amount of freedom, and just do it, right? That's what I did. Making money online, you know, making content on YouTube, traveling the world, being able to make money anywhere in the world or anywhere, wherever I go, just by having my laptop. That's what I wanted. And that's what everyone should strive for, to be honest, because that's ultimate freedom. Ultimate freedom is being able to do what you want, when you want, where you want, how you want, right? And I have that ability, and more people should want this. And that's why you should start an online coaching business, because that's what it directly gives you. One, it makes you the most amount of money. Two, it's extremely beginner friendly. And three, it gives you total freedom. That's why I love this business model so much. That's why it's changed my life. That's why I'm able to live here in Dubai. That's why I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai, focus on this business, which has completely changed my life, generated me over 6 figures a year. And yeah, my goal next year, and I'm going to say this loud and clear on YouTube, my goal next year is to hit 100K in a month, right? And I don't believe I'm that far off. I genuinely believe I'm very close, and I know for a fact I'm going to hit it. So I'm at a position now where my life's completely changed just because of the actions and the risk that I took. And believe me, when I had planned to move to Dubai, I even said to my mum at the time, I can't wait to struggle. I can't wait to struggle. Because I was having way too much fun back then in the UK. Way too much fun driving my car, you know, wasting money, doing absolutely nothing. I was having way too much fun. I wanted struggle. I craved struggle. I didn't crave happiness. And that's why I'm in the position where I am today. And that's why I will be in the position where I will basically be hitting over 100K a month by next year and just be in a much better position, right? Because I want to grow. And I've realized that if I want to grow, put happiness to the side, struggle now, and then later on you'll be fine. It's kind of like Muhammad Ali's quote, right? Where it was something along the lines of, you know, struggle now and then live the rest of your life as a champion. It's so true, because you have to not chase happiness, you have to chase struggle. And that's how you would actually be happy. Again, if you do want to make a change in your life and you want to start an online business that can generate you 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'm happy to jump on a call and show you how I can actually help you. And if you want to know more about the business model that I mentioned in this video, which by the way is the best business model you can start in 2026, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.